Welcome to the Sammy Picking Blackberry video podcast. You may let me pick some blackberries.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Quinstead. Today we're doing a little bit of foraging. It is blackberry season here in Texas. It is late spring, early summer, so the blackberries are in full bloom. And we are going to forage us a whole bunch of these blackberries and make us some delicious blackberry jam, enough for the rest of the year. Now these are native Texas blackberry bushes. They grow all over the state. Pretty much anywhere you go in Texas, you will find blackberry bushes in full swing this time of the year. And they are just crazy productive for 2 to 4 weeks out of the late spring, early summertime. These are also commonly called dewberries throughout the state. That's what I grew up calling them. And I believe that they're just another variation of blackberries. I think they're a specific kind of blackberry called dewberries. I'm not 100% sure on that. If y'all know, let me know in the comments below what you call them, where you're from, and I guess the proper name for them as well. If it's a different time of the year where blackberries aren't producing fruit, you can also identify the plants by the way they look. Blackberry bushes will have these 5 leaves on them on each stem, and the stems will be more of a reddish color, and they'll have lots of little thorns all over them. The leaves also will be very jagged around all the edges. And then in springtime, if you start seeing white flowers on them, then you'll definitely know you have a blackberry bush. So if you see these in the summer or winter time, you might just want to let them grow and see if they produce any blackberries for you. Once the flowers have been pollinated, the berries will start to grow, and they'll first will be red, and then when they ripen up, they'll turn nice and black. And when they're nice and plump and they barely fall off the stem, that's how you know they're ready. I tend to find that the bigger blackberries typically grow further away from the ground. So if you are propagating your own blackberry bushes, try and support them or trellis them, let them grow over something so they can be a little bit further off the ground and get better pollination from bees and other pollinators. And it also makes it a little bit easier when you're going to pick them.
I love taking blackberries.
From all those blackberries we picked, we went ahead and water bathed 8 half-pint jars here that we're going to go ahead and stick into our cabinet for long-term use. We also filled 3.5-pint jars that we're going to stick right in the fridge for more immediate use. The jam that we made goes great on peanut butter and jelly, toast, or our favorite, poured over cream cheese and eaten with crackers. It can also be a great gift to give to friends and family during the holidays or anything like that. It can also provide a great revenue stream for your homestead if you sell at your local farmers market or craft fairs or anything like that. The recipe that we use is out of the Ball Home Preservation Cookbook, and this is a great book for anybody who is into making jams and jellies, home preservation, canning, or anything like that. We'll leave a link in the description for this book. And also the sugar that we like to use is this unbleached all-natural cane sugar. I think it has a great flavor when making jams and jellies. Plus we can get it in 10-pound bags, which helps when you're making big batches of jams and jelly and stuff. If you enjoyed the video, please go ahead and subscribe. We'd very much appreciate it. Thanks for watching.